Hi friends, today for math we're going to be reviewing and going over the 4 different types of coins that we've already learned about. Make sure that you are looking super carefully because after this video you're going to have an activity to do where you're going to have to decide if a coin is a penny or a quarter or a dime or a nickel. So you want to make sure that you're paying really careful attention, okay? All right, here we go. We'll start with our very first coin. This one is called, do you remember what it's called? Penny. Good job. Remember, the special thing about a penny is its color. What color is a penny? Copper brown. Very good. So we can tell with all the coins that it's a penny because it's the only one that's copper brown. But we also learned some more things that help us to know it's a penny. Like on the front is the president whose name is Abraham Lincoln. And remember, we know it's him because he has a beard, so look for the beard. And then on the back is the Lincoln Memorial. And remember, it's just kind of like a long building. So that's the front and the back of a penny because you're going to need to know what the front and the back of all of our coins look like, okay? So that is the penny. What's this coin called? A penny. Good. And it's worth 1 cent. Good job. Our next coin is the nickel. Very good. So a nickel is just a little bit bigger than a penny, but it also looks different from a penny because it's not copper brown, it's silver. So on the front of a nickel is this president whose name is Thomas Jefferson. What's his name? Good job. Remember, we know it's Thomas Jefferson because if you look really carefully right here, he has a ponytail and it has a little ribbon in it. So that's Thomas Jefferson, who's on the front of the nickel. Good. On the back of the nickel is Thomas Jefferson's house. Ooh, does anyone remember what the name of his house is? I'll give you a hint. It starts with the letter M. Monticello. Very good. So that's what it is on the back of the nickel. All right, so we learned about the penny and the nickel. Good. Now we're going to come right here to the smallest coin. Do you remember what the name of the smallest coin is? A dime. Good job, guys. So this is a dime. On the front of the dime is Franklin Roosevelt, okay? And then on the back of the dime, there's 2 things. You remember what they are? The olive branches and a torch. Very good job. Remember, right here in the middle, there's a torch, and then on each side, there's a little olive branch. Very good. And so the dime, the special thing about a dime is that it's the smallest coin, okay? All right, and then our last and final coin that we've learned about, it's the biggest one. Do you remember what it's called? A quarter. Good job. On the front of the quarter is George Washington. Who's on the front of the quarter? George Washington. Very good. And on the back of the quarter is kind of like the symbol for America. Remember what the animal is? It's an eagle. Good job. All right, so that's the quarter. It has George Washington on the front and an eagle on the back. Remember, the quarter, is it the smallest or the biggest coin? It's the biggest. Very good. Let's see. What's special about a penny? You remember? Correct. It is copper brown. And what's special about the dime? That it's the smallest coin. Very good. And what's special about a nickel? Remember, there's not really anything special about a nickel. And then what's special about the quarter? Good job. It's the biggest coin. All right, so now Miss Sorman has in my hand some pictures of the front and the backs of pennies and nickels and dimes and quarter. And I'm going to see if you can tell me what they are, okay? All right, here we go. Here's the first one. You know what coin that is? The nickel. Very good. Is this the front of the nickel or the back of the nickel? The front. Good job, guys. All right, the next coin. You ready? Ooh, this is a good one. Uh-oh, sorry, Miss Lorman's stuff is kind of sticking. All right, here we go. What is this one? You know what coin that is? It's the quarter. Very good. Is it the front or the back of the quarter? It is the back of the quarter. Good job. All right, next one. Here we go. This one should be so easy. What's this coin? It's a penny. How'd you know it was a penny? Very good. So we know it's a penny because it's the only coin that's copper brown. Remember who's on the front of the penny? Good, Abraham Lincoln. Good job. All right, you ready for the next one? Okay, here it comes. What is this coin? It's the biggest coin. Yes, it's a quarter. Good job. And so now, is this the back side of the quarter or the front side? It is the front side. Do you remember what his name is? George Washington. Very good. All right, next one. You ready? You have to look really carefully because this is the tiniest coin. What is it? It's the dime. Good job. And now, is this the front of the dime or the back of the dime? It is the back. And what are these things on the back of the dime? Remember, it's two things. Good. It's the olive branches and the torch. Awesome job. All right. We're just a few more left. All right. This one should be easy too. You ready? What is this coin? It's the penny. Good. How'd you know it was a penny? Because again, it's the only coin that's copper brown. Good job. All right. Next one. You ready? What is this coin? It's a dime. Good job. How did you know it was a dime? Very good, because it's the smallest coin, and we know the smallest coin is the dime. Good job. All right, just a few more. Let's see if you can tell Miss Orman what this coin is. You ready? What's this one? Good, it's the nickel. Is this the front or the back of the nickel? It is the back. Good job, guys. All right, so that is all Miss Orman has for us to go over all our coins with. So now you are gonna get to do an activity where you're gonna have to look at a paper and decide which coins are a penny, or which coins are a nickel, or which coins are a dime, and which coins are quarters. And then when you get finished, make sure to take a picture of your work and send it to Miss Orman so that I can see all of your awesome papers and how you know all of your coins. Bye, guys.